Believe it or not, this was a year ago. Yep, it was snow, and it was mostly in mountain places such as Summit Park. Well, it plastered the petunias. It was no picnic, chilled the grill, and bent the branches. Folks basically had to shovel away autumn. Now you might think it cannot happen again. I mean, it's October. Last year's storm was just a whimper. Well, this one was a whopper. This storm happened October 18th, 1984. Nothing was good about this one, and it was right in Salt Lake City.
I expected a snowstorm, but I didn't expect winter. This is terrible.
It set the record for snow in a 24-hour period. Trees down, car pileups abound, early snowstorm wreaks disaster. How about 22 inches in one day in parts of Salt Lake County? You could not move. And if you got in trouble, you had to push the highway patrol car to help you. Monster storm sends shiver through Utah. I mean, hello, is this October? Half the city was out of power, some for 2 or 3 days. Somehow a power line and water doesn't seem like a good mix. They worked day and night, and the other half of town was just plain stuck. The university closed down, so some took advantage of the university golf course back then. Hey, free golf, folks.
Yeah! Yes!
By the next day, the storm even broke the record for the most snow ever in the whole month of October. What a mess. Trees were down, and some people were down trying to move the downed trees.
So that was pretty amazing, all in all, for the middle of October.
Oh, and when all was said and done, they started clearing up a 56-car wreck. Yes, 56 cars. Snow dump leaves valley scurrying. And scurry they did back then. You know, after this record hot summer that we had, and this gorgeous fall day today, it's hard to even think about snow. But a year ago today, we had snow on the ground. Now that was something. Craig Wirth, ABC 4 News.